Hello! Huggy and Pinkfong will learn new sounds today. This is I, as in igloo and ink, but it can also sound I, as in ice cream and idea.
Storybats.
Information about the letter I is imminent.
I is incredible.
I like using I.
And I is indispensable.
I like using I.
When I'm in an igloo eating ice cream.
I like using I.
When I'm investigating insects on an island.
I like using I.
When I talk about myself, I use I. When you talk about yourself, use I.
I have invented an invisible iguana.
The itsy bitsy inchworm has inflated the inner tube.
When I talk about myself, I use I. When you talk about yourself, use I.
I is impressive.
Indeedly-do.
This is as in 9, nest, nose, and nuttos.
Storybats.
We are now navigating
Near the letter N.
When you want some nachos, and when you need a nap, and when you're visiting New Jersey, you need an N. And when you're eating noodles, and when you're sailing down the Nile, and when you wear a necktie, you need an N. Neighbors, numbers, nephews, notebooks, N. Nose, ears, nightlights, name tags, narwhals,
I would like to note that I am a novice at needlepoint.
nonsense. I noticed that your needlepoint is very nice.
Thank you.
And when you join the Navy,
When you join the Navy,
and when you're making noise,
Make some
and when
noise.
you're sneaking like a ninja,
ninja,
you need an N.
Is there another verse to this song?
negative. It is now time for the next one.
This letter sounds as in egg, elephant, eggplant, elf.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this.
This letter sounds as in mouse, milk, Monday, moon, and mountain.
Metal. More. Motorcycle.
Can you find more words that begin with e, and